How to download Vinted app and log into Vinted. If you wish to download the Vinted app and log in, now to download is very simple. Once you make sure you're connected to a reliable internet connection, from the search bar you can go ahead and then just type in Vinted right here. Once you type in Vinted, you will see the Vinted app, and there you'll see if it's not already installed. You'll find the install button there based on your Play Store or your App Store on Android or iPhone. Now once you've downloaded the app, then the next step is to log in or create an account. So if you already have an account, that's perfectly fine. You can skip to the login process by opening the app and selecting I already have an account option. When you select I already have an account, you can choose to continue with your Google or Facebook account, or you can also continue with your email. So you can enter your username or email manually, the password, and then tap the login button to log into your Vinted account. This way you'll be able to download Vinted app and log into Vinted. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.